How do you upload reels at the highest possible quality? Let me talk about it. And of course, we're going to be using the Android platform. So if you're new here and if you want to see videos like this, most definitely subscribe so you're not going to miss the future videos. Anyways, the Androids, most definitely, I mean, every single phone, well, there are like two parts of the high quality reels. The first one is the video itself, and then there's the upload process. Because when you are capturing the videos or, starting to come up with the reels, make sure that you are using the features of your camera properly. You can most definitely add some resolution if your photos or videos are not looking the best, or you can as well just switch, like I can in this case, switch to the professional video mode where I can manually adjust the focus and adjust the exposure and on all other things, right? And this makes sure that the video looks more professional, right? And in higher quality. So you can see as well, we get to pick the shutter speed and the resolution and the frame rate and all of that, right? So just make sure you bump it up and you get the best shots out of the camera. But then even once you have the video ready, when you perhaps are using like a video editor or whatever, once you have the reel ready for publishing, make sure that when you go through the setup or upload page, you click on the more options where you have to enable the upload at highest quality toggle. So you can see right there that if you don't enable it and it's not like immediately visible when you go through it, well, the videos are going to be slightly compromised to save some space, right? And we don't want to do that because we want to make sure the quality of the reel is preserved and it's actually good. So make sure this is enabled and you can then just publish your reel and it should be in a good enough quality. So that's just a quick rundown on how it works and how you can get the most out of it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to improve the quality of your reels. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next videos as well.